I had a 14-year journey before I ended up having my children. So I did 4 rounds of IVF in New Zealand and I had 9 baby losses. I must admit, after I saw SAFE, I felt confident and comfortable to come over here. My name is Komal, so it was a really long journey for me. I did a lot of research before choosing SAFE Fertility Clinic to come to. As you can imagine, when you have lost so many babies, the emotions are really high. The mental state is a bit different as well. So I had to think of a lot of different things before actually choosing my clinic over here. Thailand is a really special place for me. It's a really warm place. The people are lovely, and I always feel like I'm at home when I'm here. Nothing in Thailand for me feels foreign. So for both of us as a couple, it felt like it was the right place for us to be. When I walked into the clinic, and I will always remember this, I felt warm. For me, it felt like I was coming home, and I was welcomed so well. I really liked the way that the consultants work as well. I liked the support that I actually was going to get while being with SAFE. I truly believe that we have world-class lab over here. So I wanted to know just about every single thing. I wanted to know about the embryologist, I wanted to know about the lab, and SAFE were very, very kind and helpful in helping me understand how the lab worked, how the embryologist worked, how the specialist at SAFE worked, and also how I would get a personal consultant to actually look after me. For me, that was a really different thing that no other clinic had actually offered. So to have somebody walking alongside me, talking to me about what the next steps were going to be, that made a huge difference to me as well. The initial consultation, I saw Dr. Wiwat, of course. His knowledge just truly amazed me. The way he talked to me, the way he coached me to understand the different points around IVF was really remarkable. So I liked that approach as well. I felt he was different. He was very bold in the way that he looked at my case and the way that he worked with me. Streets ahead of a lot of other countries. For me, I felt truly confident in the way the clinic works, in the way the technology is over here. To be honest, that concern was actually not even mine. It was a concern from when I first talked about it with other people in my country. Other people were more concerned than I was. How do you know the clinic is a good clinic? How do you know you're not going to a little tin shed clinic? So those were their concerns, but I must say that because they raised it, it did make me a little bit nervous. But as soon as I arrived here, it all went away. 100%. All the time. Get on the plane and come over here. Don't waste time. This is the clinic for you to come to. This is the clinic for you to be at. And the reason I say that is I used it. You find amazing specialists who will work with you with a lot of knowledge. So the knowledge that we have over here is a knowledge that comes from years and years and years of experience. The staff over here truly care. They will look after you. They will walk you through the journey and help you ease some of the tensions that come with an IVF journey.